I was banned from my own wedding. I found out when security grabbed my arm. I was in my wedding dress looking perplexed. "You're not allowed inside." I laughed, thinking it was a joke. The venue doors were open. My name was literally on the welcome sign, but the guard said there was an active restraining order against me. My glammed-up bridesmaids were so confused. But when I saw my mother standing in the doorway, watching the commotion with a victory grin, it hit me that she was actually going through with it. 2 weeks earlier, we had a fight. Not about the wedding, but about money. My father left me an apartment when he died. My mother assumed I'd do the right thing and sell it to help pay for my younger brother's business idea. I said no. It was the only thing my dad left directly to me. When everything she tried to sway me failed, she became quiet, and I thought she finally let it go. The next thing I knew, she had filed a temporary protective order, claiming I had become aggressive and was emotionally unstable. It was approved quickly because she was very well connected in court. I was served 3 days before the wedding. My attorney said it would be dismissed at the hearing. The hearing was scheduled for the week after the ceremony, meaning until then I couldn't legally approach her. I assumed that she would either not show up or that she would attend the wedding, but would not bring up the restraining order to the venue. Apparently I was wrong. She made sure she'd be there early, front row to enjoy the spectacle. The security company had strict instructions. If I came near her, they were to remove me. So there I was, the bride, outside. My fiancé Chris ran out when he heard that something was happening. He was confused shortly, but grew angry as soon as he realized what was going on. He called the venue manager, explained I was the bride. The manager said his hands were tied. There was legal documentation on file. If they allowed me inside and I approached her, they could be liable. My mother stood there, calm, victorious. She said, "If you agreed to help your brother, I will leave and let you have your day." The venue was booked through her and it was her name on the lease. We were powerless. I was about to give in when my fiancé did something unexpected. He said no. He walked back inside. A couple of minutes later, guests started pouring out of the venue. Then he came back out with the officiant. Chris moved the ceremony to the parking lot. Right there we got married. Sun in our eyes. Guests standing in heels on asphalt. We had a modest reception in the park nearby, with hot dogs, ice cream, and popcorn for food. Most of the younger guests stayed until nightfall, and we had a great time. The restraining order was dismissed the following week for lack of evidence. The judge wasn't amused. I haven't spoken to my mom since. She showed me exactly who she was willing to become when things don't go her way. And that was the real gift that day, and I thank her for it.